Hello, I'm Tilly and welcome to my kitchen. Now, I just wanted to come on and give a bit of an update really of what's happening. And the first thing I really wanted to say was thank you so much for everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. I've got over 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe I've got over 1,000 subscribers. I just didn't expect that to happen at all. And all the lovely comments that I've been receiving, thank you so much. It just means the world to me, and it makes me so happy. Thank you. And it makes me very happy that you're enjoying my videos. So thank you very much for that. And I will just say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. So thank you so much, and please subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out more videos, and keep leaving the lovely comments and tips and ideas. It's so wonderful because people are leaving all tips and things of frugal living and tips on Christmas things, and it helps everybody that reads the comments. It's helping so many people, and it's lovely because people are interacting with each other in the comments, and I love it because it's like a nice little community, and it's so nice. But apart from that, I've got some really exciting news. I'm so happy about this. I'm going to start dehydrating food, and I've been researching, and my sisters and I we've ordered a dehydrating machine, and it's an Excalibur, and I'm going to be the proud owner of a quarter share of an Excalibur dehydrating machine. I'm so excited about that. I cannot wait to get it and to share it with you. It's an Excalibur 9 tray, so it's a big one. It's really big, so I'll be able to do loads of dehydrating at the same time, and it'd be brilliant, especially when I get my garden organised and start growing next year. Actually, that's why I'm looking a bit bedraggled, layers and layers of clothing on, because I've been out in the garden. It's freezing today, absolutely freezing, and it's so windy. So that's why I'm looking a little bit bedraggled. So notes, I've got my notes. Oh, something I wanted to mention about all the comments. I really try to keep up with the comments. I really try to answer every comment that I get, but it's really getting really difficult because there's so many of them. And don't get me wrong, I love it and I read every single one. So if I don't answer all the comments, please excuse me. It is taking a long time, and I love doing it, and I love interacting with everybody in the comment section. It just warms my heart. But I'm not going to be able to answer all the comments all the time. But I will read every single one, and I do read every single one, and I will give it a little love heart just so you know that I have read it and I have taken in what you've said, and you know, all the tips and everything, because it's so nice. And it's not just for me, the comments aren't just for me, like I said before, it's for everybody, because everybody's learning from each other, and I love that. I love that everybody's helping each other. It's just so nice. Oh, something I did want to mention, talking about being out in my garden, I got some free water barrels, 10 big water barrels. Free. I am so pleased, so pleased. So they will be handy for dotting around the garden in the summer when it all needs watering and everything, and dunking my watering can in and watering the gardens. I have got rain barrels off my guttering, so I've already got that organised. I do use the rainwater off the roof, and you know, always done that anyway. So I'm nearly at the stage in the garden when I can get the compost bins made out of my pallets. Nearly there. That will be my next job. All the hedges cut. I've moved the big heap of gravel. We've nearly now done so much in there. So nearly at the stage where I can make the compost bin, well, at least one of them anyway, and because I've been saving loads of stuff for the compost, so that will be going in the compost bin. So if you've got any money saving tips or anything like that, please do continue to put them in the comment section for everybody else to see as well as me, and just any tips and ideas you've got of that will help everybody. Brilliant, I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now it's just going to be a quick one today because I am going to rush back out in the garden, but I just wanted to show you something else that I've been doing. Making hats. Been making some hats for the homeless. This is my third lot. I've already given 2 big boxes of hats for the charities that need all the hats, and these ones are what I've just been making. These are beanie hats. So I've been making these. Fabulous. I love them. So I've got a big pile of them there. Got a demonstration. There. It's very attractive, isn't it? It's a good look. I do have these out when I'm out in the garden all the time. I don't care. Don't care. I'm going to keep warm. And I love them. So I've been making all those. These ones, the black ones, are mostly for the homeless charity, because the homeless are often asking for black hats. Now, we all love making all the nice colours and the bright colours, you know, of all the hats and everything, but often they quite often ask for just black ones, and not many people make the black ones so much. So I like to make quite a lot of black ones. If you're a knitter or a crocheter, or you know, if you work with yarn, you'll know it's quite difficult to work with black yarn. So I understand why people don't do it. My eyes. So anyway, that's that. Thank you so much for all your subscribing and comments and likes and everything like that. I'm going to do some of the hydrating. So I'm hoping to get videos out when my dehydrator arrives. I'll get some videos out of that, because I've been researching. Oh, I tell you the lady I've been watching, written it down in my notes, Darcy from the Purposeful Pantry. She's brilliant. She's got loads and loads and loads of dehydrating videos, and she really knows what she's talking about. She's my new best friend. She doesn't know it. She doesn't know me from Adam, but I know her. And she's fantastic. So if you want to get into dehydrating, I highly recommend watching Darcy from the Purposeful Pantry. She's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So that's that, just a quick one. Thank you very much, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.